Hey, what's up guys, Will here for GSM Arena. Samsung's new Galaxy S series flagships have arrived, so let's see what they're all about in our hands-on video. The Galaxy S25 series doesn't bring groundbreaking changes, at least when it comes to the hardware. But these phones all have a slightly slimmer design, which is thinner by 0.4mm. The phone that's changed the most design-wise is the top model, the Galaxy S25 Ultra. The side frame is now flat rather than rounded, and the angular corners have been replaced with rounded ones. The S25 Ultra has become tougher too. The Gorilla Armor glass has been upgraded to Gorilla Armor 2 on both the front and back panels. The S25 and S25 Plus have Gorilla Glass Victus 2 protection, like last year's models. This means the durability gap between them and the Ultra has gotten even wider. Samsung has made the S25 Ultra narrower this year, but thanks to slimmer bezels, the screen is actually 0.1 inches bigger, at 6.9 inches. It also uses next-gen anti-reflection surface treatment, which further improves the sunlight legibility. In contrast, the S25 and S25 Plus have the same displays as last year, at 6.2 inches and 6.7 inches respectively. Besides the design changes, the entire Galaxy S25 family also gets an exclusive new chipset, the Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy. It's like the regular Snapdragon 8 Elite, but even faster, with higher clock speeds. And they all get 12GB of RAM across the board, which is a first for the vanilla S25 model. Not everything is positive. The S25 Ultra's S Pen has gotten dumbed down a bit, so you lose wireless functions like the air gestures and remote camera shutter. There's no improvement in battery capacity or charging speed on any of these phones either. Also, the cameras of the S25 and the S25 Plus haven't undergone any changes compared to last year. Only the S25 Ultra gets an upgrade camera-wise. It has a new higher-res 50MP ultra-wide camera with a wider f1.9 aperture. At least all three phones get a camera app redesign. The camera mode carousel is now found under the shutter button, and even opening the extra modes no longer hides your viewfinder. You can also record 10-bit HDR videos, an upgrade from 8-bit. The Camera Pro mode has also been redesigned. And a new Galaxy Log mode allows you to do the color grading by yourself if you're into those sort of things. And a new tool called the AI Audio Eraser allows you to adjust the volume or completely mute certain sounds in a video. Besides that, thanks to the new ISP in the Snapdragon 8 Elite, there should be improvements in the camera processing, especially when it comes to low-light video. The next-gen Pro Visual Engine, as Samsung calls it, does two passes for noise reduction, one for still objects and another one for moving ones. There are plenty of new software features worth mentioning. The Galaxy S25 series phones are the first to come out with the new One UI 7.0. It brings a subtle redesign, including a new look for icons. You can also hide the labels of apps and widgets placed on the home screen. The notifications panel and quick toggles panel are separated now. You access them by swiping from different corners of the screen. There are plenty of new AI features too. One significant new addition is system-wide support for natural language input. Your requests can even be carried out through interactions between multiple apps, something Samsung calls cross-app action. It's maybe the most exciting development, with Gemini being able to perform complex tasks, such as finding a restaurant nearby, preparing the directions for you via Google Maps, and sharing that location with a friend. AI Select replaces Smart Select in the sidebar. The AI can now analyze the screen's content in more detail and create GIFs from videos or wallpapers from photos on the screen. Circle to Search has been upgraded, so they can now listen to audio that's currently playing and provide information about the music track. One new feature called Now Brief will give you a summary and stats of your daily schedule, and even let you know whether your favorite podcasters or artists have released new content. Something else called the Now Bar lives on your lock screen and focuses on running apps like media playback and maps directions, as well as current events like sports scores. Finally, all three phones will get 7 major Android updates and 7 years of security patches. So there you have it guys, the new Galaxy S25 series. The improvements aren't huge, but at least there are no differences in prices this year. The devices are launching on February 6th, and if you pre-order before then, you can get a free storage upgrade. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you on the next one.